am Gemini, super fly guy. I am Gemini, 2 heads, 1 eye. I am Gemini like Pop, Andre, Lauren, and Kanye, Boy George, and Nan Frank. I am Gemini, but no, I'm not fake. I am Gryffindor, but don't move like Snake. I am Gemini, people love to call me crazy, but they judging and they hating, and I'm too grown for explaining. I am Gemini, soon 14th, and all the famous rappers got a sign like me, and all the famous rappers got a heart like me, but I know that I'm different and they not quite me. I'm the horoscope pole, I'm the planet and moon, I'm the rising the sun, 5th degree to the moon. I'm the witch of your dreams, I'm the voice in your head. Your husband sent me a DM and I just left him on red. My planet's Mercury, my element is air. I'm such a free spirit that I don't fucking care. If I got the blunt, I am moving out my chair. You could kiss my derriere, cause it's shaped like a pear. Little zodiac, ginger snap, pretty little shorty with the snapback. Tarot deck on sec, like to keep her feet wet with keep sweat. The freak neck from Harlem to BX, I clean up like Kleenex. Spinelli, I'm recess, kick ball to the deep end. The public school era is old school forever. The moon and the tides really control the weather. The sun and the moon, yes, it do go together. A spiritual being that rides any weather. Riders on a storm, riders on a storm. Yes, I'm on my own, trying to find up my home. Riders on a storm, riders on a storm. Yes, I'm on my own, trying to find up a home. Intelligent, adaptable, agile, communicative, informative, creative, and everybody hates it. Imagination colorful and I just entertain it. A poet and a dreamer, I'ma seize the world and take it. Of course there is the bad, I'm really superficial. I ain't called you in 3 months, still I maintain that I miss you. A Gemini with issues, social isolated. I pray that I'ma make it, or at least that I can fake it. And like a Gemini, I'm really prone to changes. I'm really indecisive and I really fucking hate it. Picking clothes or picking food, it always make me anxious. But thank God I'm androgynous, cause what I stay in. Riders on a storm, riders on a storm. Yes, I'm on my own, trying to find up a home. Riders on a storm, riders on a storm. Always on my own, trying to find up a home.